The instrument of sovereign claim, understanding the UCC and non-UCC paradigm. 1. When paper became power. At some point in history, humanity made a simple but world-changing discovery: it's easier to own something on paper than to carry it in your hands. Deeds replaced dirt. Titles replaced toil. And eventually, the signature replaced the sword. This is how the modern world was built, through instruments of claim. Each document, a bond, deed, or registration, became a small universe of rights and obligations. Whoever controlled the paper controlled the property, even if they'd never seen the property itself. So what does that actually mean? It means civilization runs on paperwork, not people. Footnote. The transition from physical possession to documentary title established paper instruments as the core mechanism of ownership and control in modern law. 2. The UCC as codified commerce. The Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, is the instruction manual for how those paper universes interact. It doesn't govern morality or justice, it governs transactions. It tells you how to perfect a lien, transfer a title, or secure an interest. The beauty, and danger, of the UCC is its neutrality. It doesn't care who's right, it only cares who filed first. In this world, timing outranks truth, and registration beats righteousness every day of the week. So what does that actually mean? It means in commerce, the fastest pen wins. Footnote. The UCC standardized transactional law in the United States, replacing moral intent with procedural priority as the determinant of ownership and enforceability. 3. The rise of the non-UCC filing. The non-UCC concept emerged as an attempt to reclaim what the UCC forgot: the human element. It's based on a simple premise: not all assets are commercial, and not all property belongs in the system's registry. Some things, identity, conscience, birthrights, pre-exist paperwork. Filing a non-UCC statement is, at its core, a declaration that certain claims operate above or outside corporate jurisdiction. It's not rebellion, it's record-keeping at a higher level. You're essentially saying, I exist, and this record belongs to me before the state ever thought of me. So what does that actually mean? It means jurisdiction begins where you sign your name, and ends where you define it. Footnote. Non-UCC filings assert pre-commercial ownership by identifying assets that derive from natural or private right, rather than statutory registration. 4. The dance of lien and claim. In commercial law, a lien is not just a claim, it's a flag. It plants your jurisdiction over a piece of property, whether that property is a car, a copyright, or a legal identity. The one who records the lien first doesn't own the thing itself, they own the priority to be paid when it moves. Understanding liens turns ordinary citizens into legal cartographers. You don't have to own the world, you just have to map it before someone else does. So what does that actually mean? It means the world isn't conquered by armies anymore. It's conquered by filings. Footnote. A lien transforms a claim into a recognized legal interest, granting priority over assets within the framework of commercial jurisdiction.